Hey guys, you look really busy today. Trust me, the day is going to get busier. The city wants your help in constructing a new train station. Does it sound interesting to you? Well, come along then. Oh yes, Ethan, you can pick up the materials you may need at the construction site. Let's get going. Let's go to the construction site. Yeah, we're almost there. There's the choo-choo train. Bye-bye, choo-choo train. Well, we have reached the construction site. I am sure we will find everything we need here. So what do we have? The roofing for the train station. Which one will you choose, Ethan? Great choice! Daddy Truck is willing to carry the roofing, Ethan. Thanks, Daddy Truck. What do we have next, Ethan? Well, we need them for the foundation, don't we? Oh, Lucy, those concrete blocks are too heavy for you. Ethan can carry the concrete blocks, while Lucy can help with the lamp posts. Great! So are we done, guys? Let's go to the city and get to work. Are you guys ready? Thanks for clearing out the space, Mommy Truck. Let's start with the foundation blocks. Great work, Daddy Truck. Okay, so the walls go up next. That's perfect. We have the roofing left now. Perfect, Ethan. Now we have just the lamp posts left. Perfect, Lucy. We're done with the train station. So, what time is the next train? Uh-oh! Did we forget the clock? But where are you going, Daddy Truck? Daddy Truck is back with the clock. Perfect! It is going to be 12 o'clock. There! I can hear the next train already. Great! We have built a fully functional train station. Kudos to you. I bet you guys are tired. Time to go home now. Bye, friends. See you later.